Here's the batteries. Okay, that's the big battery, and that's a small battery, a secondary battery in there. The fuel filter, Rayco. Okay, I'm going back around. Behind the battery, if you look at the battery thing and then I tilt the camera up, you'll see a wall. That's a fuel tank, actually. The first of two fuel tanks, and then beyond the fuel tank is another wall way up there. This is a very big tank up here. Okay, and then that pump that you see right there goes back to my saltwater washdown system, and then of course the starboard side of the engine, and the dipstick is right there, which is, you told me there was a kit underneath there. Yeah, I guess that's about it. I just noticed as I'm doing this, I ran it the other day, that I've got fuel leaking. Dripping, looks like, out of my injectors, and I'll have to tighten those bolts up there. Looks like a little bit of weepage there. Alright, that's the engine compartment, and I will shut it off.